The opposition political party, opposition leader is saying, I will arrange for 1 lakh people on there. This is the political. He was talking about Hindu Dharma, I am coming. On the other day, I was describing what is an Hindu Dharma. Hindu, Sanatani Hindu. Now, in the present scenario of this country, the entire political things, etc., Sanatani Hindu is only those Hindus who are Gujarat, stays at Gujarat, UP, and etc., and who follows that. Bengali Hindu are not Sanatani Hindu, according to them. If I worshipper of Kali, I am not a Sanatani Hindu. I am a worshipper of Shiva, I am not a Sanatani Hindu. If I am a worshipper of a Jagannath, I am not a Sanatani Hindu. If I am a worshipper of a Sri Ram, then I am a Sanatani Hindu. This is the idea is being thrown out.
Dignitaries will be passing. And there is no other alternative road. Therefore, it is very, very near to the Millard, the national highway, from where Millard the dignitaries will be traversing. There is no significance in holding this, where it is intended to create some obstruction on that day, where there are various political personalities who are already on the media saying that they are going to accumulate 1 lakh people over there, which is incapable of holding that size. Not even 50,000 as they are saying. That is also incapable. The place is not big enough to Millard house so many people. Therefore, Millard, let them do it on some other day. We have given not them, but the other batch of person alternative. And Akshaya Tritiya a day is not meant for this. Akshaya Tritiya day is a day for prosperity. Yes. But these are my submissions.
Mr. Datta has made submissions. I will very short. First of all, Millard, now individual has come. Mart village. They are saying.
I missed one point. Sudeep Ram's maternity Lashyaji, please to Millard pass an order that Hanuman chanting at Red Road. My Lord's order, Millard, which went up in appeal, Millard, the appeal court has dismissed. Millard, in an application or the writ petition was filed by Sudeep Kumar Ram. He wanted to have chant Hanuman Chalisa on a particular date, on Hanuman Jayanti. And when it came before your Lordship was pleased to, Millard, make this observation that there is no significance, number one. Number two is that it is for the first time, it is not happening for years together. Your Lordship was pleased not to permit them, went up in appeal court affirmed your Lordship's order. I'll hang up the order.
Millard, first petition came, trust. Trust has a juristic body. President has said no. I have not asked anybody to file the petition. That controversy is still existing. Now, second one is coming, but I am the landowner, I am permitting. The trust is not before your Lordship, some few individuals are there. Now, under which law the individuals can hold any Dharma Sabha, etc., for 50,000 or 70,000? What amenities have been, let's assume, Lord, forget about, I am coming to the meeting. What amenities, what arrangements have been made by them? 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. What arrangements? If there is a law and order problem, who will take? Who will be responsible? Leave aside everything. $50,000 people will come. They will sit under sun whole day. No drinking water, nothing, no arrangement, no nothing. Only give the permission. What they have arranged. Firstly, then whether individuals have any right to make a crowd of 50,000. Under which law? I can understand a political party, I can understand an association, I can understand that. But the right? And who is he? That is it a smoke screen or something different? Because I have not used any affidavit, I have to say. Who is he? He will arrange 50,000? If somebody is there. But I have an evidence there. The opposition political party opposition leader is saying, I will arrange for 1 lakh people on there. This is the political speech. I am giving it to us. There was smoke, it is a smoke screen, it is a political purpose. And no one can think, and one individual will can, or 5 individual can call, and 50,000 people will come. Nothing has been said in the petition. What is the weight? Some amendments have been made, give a permission. My Lord, with great respect, I am submitting to your lordship. This court cannot be turned into just a permitting court. Give me permission, give me this permission, this permission, this permission, this permission. Must be your lordship is overloaded. I am also overloaded with few matters. I am not arguing most of the times in constitutional points on any legal points, spending my time, permission. Whose job it is? Firstly, do you need it to do? He said, I don't need it. Then why you have come to court? If you don't need, don't need. If you need, what is your right and what is my failure? Now, kindly similar, I will just tell you lots of very important few facts, which is where kindly just see. My lord, 11 December 2024, my lord, this is the date. The Honorable Chief Minister made a public statement announcement circulated through all India channels that the inauguration of the Jagannath temple would be held on 30th April at Digha. So this date was known to everyone. Obstruction, when the Ram Mandir was announced, the inauguration day, whole district nobody was allowed to enter. No one, excepting few VIPs. In the Prayagraj district for maintaining law and order. It has been done. Now the law and order is one of the criteria. Now let's secondly see, when 30th April 2025 has been given, what is the specific? They have not done it earlier. That has been said, also order. What is it? Why you are asking for 30th April 2025? If they have done it on the Akshaya Tritiya's date, previous years, I can understand. But since, kindly see, a litigation cannot be entertained, I will submit before lordship just to disturb a program which has been declared by another person, or the chief minister. It is not a case of enmity or is parallel things. You have done it, therefore I have to do it. Why 30th April? Why you have not done it 23rd April, 24th April? Why you are not doing it 10th May or 11th May? He was talking about Hindu Dharma, I am coming. On the other day, I was describing what is an Hindu Dharma. Hindu, Sanatani Hindu. Now, in the present scenario of this country, the entire political things and etc., Sanatani Hindu is only those Hindus who are Gujarat, stays at Gujarat, UP and etc., and who follows that. Bengali Hindu are not Sanatani Hindu according to them. If I worshipper of Kali, I am not a Sanatani Hindu. I am a worshipper of Shiva, I am not a Sanatani Hindu. If I am a worshipper of a Jagannath, I am not a Sanatani Hindu. If I am a worshipper of a Sriram, then I am a Sanatani Hindu. This is the idea is being thrown out. Now, let's kindly see high profile attendance. Mr. Dotto has said, just specifically I am saying, Milord, the scheduled program will be attended by several prominent dignitaries, including Z+ category invitees, and also from different states. Industrialists, film artists, state minister, ensuring the safety and security. Crowd expectation is 1 lakh. I have to arrange all this accommodation. That is not only concentrated to Digha, surroundings, maybe in the subdivision. I am stopping entry from 28th. Next pillar, new program has safety and security concept. The location of the proposed program adjacent to Digha National Highway with a potential safety and security risk. Law and order problem. Recently, the leader of the opposition announced through the media. Yes, I am reading, officially I am submitting. The leader of the opposition announced through the media that 1 lakh people are expected to attend Maha Sanatani Dharma Sammelan on the same day. That is the day of inauguration of the Sri Jagannath Temple at Digha on 30th April 2025. According to information, a significant number of attendants are likely to come from outside the district and state, which may cause inconvenience for smooth traffic movement and pose law and order challenges. If permitted, the proposed program could lead to difficulties for the general public, potentially resulting in serious law and order problems and breach of peace. Therefore, see, my lord, when a chief minister has announced a program, Jagannath Temple would be inaugurated, leader of the opposition has to do it. He has to arrange 50,000. Is it not political rivalry? I am speaking, what I am submitting from the instructions. And if your lordship desires, I can hand over the speech itself. Just. Now, proper assessment and communication. The respondents have conducted thorough assessment of the proposed program and have communicated their decision to not to allow permission to period. An alternative date has been suggested, which will be after 30, and the same will be assessed and considered for permission accordingly. Such a huge arrangement has been made. On that day, one has to do. What is his legal right, my lord? December 2024, this program has been announced. I have to do it on that day. I have to do it on that day. Now, what is his legal right? Let's see. Let us read Article 19 first. Article 19 of the Constitution. First, I will come Article 19. Into the chair. Jamina tu judgment give me. Assemble peaceably. Yes, correct. That we are the 10% are here. We are. Can I take the guy? I will say that no. Rest of the Calcutta peoples, I am in charge. My right, their rights are affected. He can say in a writ petition. Not in a Article 220, there should be a corresponding legal right and legal obligation. What is his constitutional right? It is not an association have come to your lordship. Individual 5 or 6 persons have come. 5 and 6 persons cannot take the responsibility of the 50,000 people. If there is a breach, who will be responsible? If something has happened, who will be responsible? No. An association who has filed, the president has gone. You can understand an association who is fighting within each other. I am not talking about this. I will come to the averments. For that, I have to file an affidavit. He said, under force, I am opposing this. Now, see, just 1 minute, Milad. Article 25 has been said, Article 25 and 26. Milad, what is an essential religious function? During Durga Puja, on the day of Dashami, Sindur Khela by the women, is it an essential religious function? This court said no. During the COVID, when the restrictions were made by this honorable court, how many people will go, etc. Then, Milord, I raised the point, allow us Sindur Khela. The court held that no, it's not a religious function. Mr. Dotto has argued that which should not change the basic element. This is not, if it is changed, if it is not done. Citations and paragraphs.
Citation and copy দিয়ে আমি কি করব? অন্যটা কি? When are you going to argue tomorrow in the morning?
Tomorrow in the morning. I am ready. I can reply right now also.
No, go through all the judgments, whatever counter judgments.
I have already, Bharat. I have already. I'll just very well. I'll reply tomorrow, Bharat.
Tomorrow, Milord,
Morning.
tomorrow morning.
Morning.